Hello, my name is Donovan Green, personal trainer to Dr. Oz. I know getting in shape is not an easy feat, but it's not impossible. Stop the excuses and take the first step for yourself by starting with this workout, where you won't even have to get off the couch. We're gonna start off by reaching our arms up to the top, extend as high as you can. On the drop, we're gonna lean forward, you're gonna exhale, breathe out, then take a deep breath in, take another breath in, extend all the way back up to the top and take a breath out. All right, so let's go. Drop down, get a good stretch, extend all the way back up. Open up the airways, open up the lungs, that's one. Focus down and lift again. Now every time you go down, you wanna go a little further. Every time you breathe out, you go a little further into the drop. Now if you can only go this far, that's fine. Come back up. Feel the stretch. That's what it's all about. It's about progress. It's about going further and further in the motion. You go this far, that's also fine. Keep on going, keep on practicing until you can actually go all the way down and touch that floor. In this motion, you're learning how to strengthen your lower back muscles, how to strengthen up your shoulders, and also your core and your hip flexors. Last one. And great job. Lower your arms. The next move is gonna be the oblique twist. You have your hands up, eye level. You can have your palms out or have them closed in. Make a fist or open up. We're gonna twist side to side. This is really great for your obliques. Your oblique muscles are on the side of your bodies, right here on the side. This is where a lot of people begin to store fat, on the side of the stomach. You wanna twist and make sure you're squeezing your abdominals really tight, and you want to feel a good tension right here on your obliques. I'm going to touch it a few more times so you can get a visual on where your obliques are. Those are your obliques. So really twist. The faster you go, the more calories you will begin to burn. So you don't have to go on the floor and do a bunch of sit-ups or crunches. You can do this sitting right down. And 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Great job. Now we're gonna go right into this next one. It's the same thing as the oblique twist, but we're gonna add a punch to it. So, same motion, gonna twist and punch, twist and punch. Same exact rhythm. Now we're adding more muscle movements, which means more calories being burned. Keep a great posture, look straight ahead. By adding the punches, you're allowing your body to go into a deeper twist. You're getting more work in the obliques, and now you're also adding a deeper twist into the waistline. You're also working your muscles in the arms, because every time you punch out, you're really flexing and tensing the muscles up. You want to flex it. It's called dynamic tension. Coming up to the last few. Here we go, in 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, and 1. Great job. Shake it out a little bit, that's wonderful. Now, the next one is gonna be a trunk flexion. This is learning how to move your body side to side. You're gonna put your hands right here. You're gonna focus and bend into the left and go into the right. We're gonna take our time going 1 and 2. Every time you go across, breathe out and then exhale, inhale, in and out. Now, there are a lot of people who suffer major problems in the back and they cannot do not one sit-up. You can sit right up and just bend your body, twist the waist. You have no tension to your spine. You're working your abdominals. You're working the side of the stomach. If you want to add a little bit more muscle, you can also flex your biceps. Your biceps are right here. You can flex your biceps, tighten your shoulders up. So now you're not only working your waistline, you're also working your arms and your shoulders with no tension on your back whatsoever. So now you have no excuses why you cannot do any sit-ups. You don't need to do sit-ups. You can do this and feel great and look great. Now here's a little challenge. Go a little bit faster, just a little faster. Pick it up a little bit more. Right, coming up to the last few. Keep on going in 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Great job. You did fantastic. It wasn't as hard as you thought, right? You can do this. Anybody can do this. All you have to do is want it as bad as you need it. This is Donovan Green saying, be well. Enjoy the day. See you again.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss out on new videos to live the good life.